Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Diwali is round the corner, so I just thought of taking up this topic and speaking on it. We all are going to celebrate Diwali this year, right? So why don't we do some speaking practice on this topic? It's a very interesting topic, it's everybody's favorite, and we all have a lot of experiences and memories to talk about Diwali. So today I'm going to speak on Diwali. I'm going to tell you how you can talk about things to describe this festival, what are the terminologies you can use, and what you can do is you can either speak with me, you can repeat after me sentence by sentence. So I'm going to make it very easy for you. I'll use each sentence and I'll give you space to repeat with me or repeat after me so that you can practice speaking in English easily with me. Well, I'm a communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. So stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to know more. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. Let's get started. So let's talk about why Diwali is celebrated, or what is Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. It symbolizes victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Repeat with me. Diwali is a festival of lights. It symbolizes victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Right? So this is what Diwali is. Repeat with me again. Diwali is a festival of lights. It symbolizes victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. It's so simple, it's so beautiful. The essence is so beautiful, guys. What does the sentence mean? Firstly, Diwali is a festival of lights. Of course, we put candles and diyas and we decorate our homes with lights, right? So that is why it is called the festival of lights. Second is why it is celebrated or what it symbolizes. It means what is the context, why it is celebrated basically, what is the essence of it. Okay, so in short, it spreads positivity and happiness, and it symbolizes a celebration or a victory over all these things, right? So that is why Diwali is celebrated in India. Next sentence. We clean our house, decorate it with rangolis and diyas and flowers and lights. We clean our house, we decorate it with diyas, rangolis, flowers, lights. We prepare lots of savory and sweet snacks and food to share it with our friends and relatives and our neighbors. Right? Now what do we do in Diwali? We clean our house, we decorate it with diyas, rangolis, lights, flowers. We prepare a lot of savory and sweet snacks and food items to share it with our family, friends and neighbors. Right? So this is how we celebrate Diwali. Repeat with me once more. If you want to add your own ideas here, you want to add something more what you do in Diwali, you are free to do this, right? So repeat after me. We clean our house, we decorate it with diyas, rangolis, flowers, lights. We prepare a lot of savory and sweet snacks and food items to share it with our family, friends and neighbors. Right? Isn't it? We do that. This is how we celebrate Diwali. Next, what else we do? There are lots of things we do, right? So we can add in the third part. We can say what else we do. We perform puja and then we burn firecrackers. We do puja or we perform puja and then we burn firecrackers or we burst firecrackers. We perform puja and then we burst firecrackers or we burn firecrackers. We burst firecrackers is better. So let's repeat. We perform puja and then we burst firecrackers. We perform puja and then we burst firecrackers. This is the fun part and I love it. This is the fun part and I love it. We also meet and greet people during Diwali. We also meet and greet people during Diwali, right? So this is how we can talk about Diwali. What we do. We do puja, we decorate our house, we burst firecrackers, we meet and greet people, we eat food, right? We meet each other, we greet each other, we have a lot of things. So this is how we celebrate Diwali. So guys, you can easily talk about how you celebrate Diwali at your place. This is a very short introduction I have just given. I just talked about why Diwali is what is Diwali and why it is celebrated. Then I spoke about what do we do in Diwali, right? And then again, the third step was, or the third part was, I spoke about what else we do during Diwali. So in probably 6 to 8 sentences, I have just described the whole thing, right? Now, what you can do is, these 6 sentences, you can speak with me, repeat after me, you can shadow with me, right? I've taken pauses, I have repeated 2-3 times so that it's easier for you to repeat after me. You can also add your own ideas in it and you can extend it. So you can add your own ideas, you can come up with new sentences to describe your own experience, what you love the most, what you enjoy the most, what you want to do during Diwali, this Diwali, right? So you can just talk about this a bit in detail, or you can add more details to what I have just spoken. Okay, or what I have spoken, you can just talk about the same idea in a different way with different sentences. You can do that as well, right? You can also say, this Diwali I want to buy something for poor, or I want to gift something to the poor. This Diwali I want to buy some gifts for the poor people. This Diwali I want to buy some gifts for the poor people, right? So you can do a lot of good things also. You can gift something to the poor, you can buy some food for them, you can buy some gifts for them which can be useful for them. So you can do a lot of things. So you can add whatever your thoughts are, whatever your plans are, whatever you enjoy, whatever you do during Diwali. You can just add everything and you can speak about Diwali. It's very easy, guys. These sentences which I have spoken are so easy to speak and understand, right? So you can also come up with your own ideas and add it to what I have just spoken. Okay, I have just answered simple questions like why is Diwali, what is Diwali and why is it celebrated. You can just add your own ideas also. What do you think? Why is Diwali celebrated, or why you celebrate Diwali? Right? What do you do in Diwali, or how do you celebrate Diwali? You can add your own thoughts, right? You buy some gold or silver, you can add that there. You buy some utensils or whatever, if you have a tradition of buying something, you can add that also in this. You can also add what are your plans if you are going to your friend's place to celebrate Diwali, or if your friends and relatives are coming to your place to celebrate Diwali. You can just add the kind of food items you're going to have you've prepared for Diwali, or your mom has prepared, or you have it at your place, what kind of food you're going to eat. You can just add a small description of everything to just come up with a speech or a script. It's not difficult at all. I have given you enough clues, guys. I have already given you 6 to 8 sentences, 8 to 9 sentences I've given you. You just have to add 2 more sentences in each space, and you will come up with a script and you will be able to speak on it. And the best way to practice this is, of course, you can repeat with me, speak with me, that is fine. But when you add your own ideas, you can just jot down your ideas, the pointers, right? Keep it handy. And when you're talking about Diwali, add those pointers there. Add those ideas in the form of a sentence and speak on it. See how you perform, right? Try it twice or thrice. You will see a lot of difference in your speech in 2 to 3 attempts only. So Diwali is a very easy topic to talk about, guys. I have given you enough clues. I have given you everything. I have given you sentences also to how to speak about Diwali. Now you have to come up with more sentences, add your own ideas to it and speak on it. Try this and let me know how did you perform. Also, if you can just write in the comment section what new you are going to do this Diwali. That will be great. I love to hear that. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.